Is Fillout not working properly on your device? Well, whether the website won't load, forms aren't submitting, or you're having trouble signing in, this tutorial will walk you through several common fixes that can help get Fillout working again. Start by making sure your internet connection is stable. Try opening a few other websites to confirm that your connection is working normally. If necessary, restart your Wi-Fi router or switch to another network before trying Fillout again. Next, refresh the page and sign in to your Fillout account again. Temporary loading issues can often be resolved by simply reloading the website or starting a new browser session. If the problem continues, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Old website data can sometimes interfere with loading pages correctly. After clearing the cache, close your browser completely and reopen it before visiting Fillout again. Now test Fillout in another supported web browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or Safari. You can also try opening the website on another computer or mobile device to determine whether the issue is specific to your current setup. If only one form isn't working, so review its settings carefully. Make sure the form is published, required fields are configured correctly, and any integrations or conditional logic are working as expected. If you're a respondent, the form owner may need to update the form. If none of these solutions work, the issue could be related to a temporary service outage or an account-specific problem. Check Fillout's official status or help resources for any reported issues. If necessary, contact Fillout support and provide details about the problem, including any error messages you're seeing, and that's it. Those are the most effective ways to troubleshoot Fillout when it's not working. Hopefully, one of these solutions gets everything back up and running. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more simple technology guides, and thanks so much for watching.